material on the wall. Right now, we've already got a whole bunch of this, as you see, done. We don't want to bore you with too much of that stuff, but anyway, I'm going to show you how I'm doing a wall. This particular wall here, I'm going to go horizontal with it. I've marked my line to right there. I'm going to come out 2 inches on both ends. It's not easy to do. You got to get it done pretty quick, but when you're done, you had to put one piece here, and you got the corners too. So what I'm doing basically is I'm filling this up, and then I'll take my little notch trowel and I'll come back over it. Hopefully it'll be all fresh, and we'll be able to get a good coat. So just stay tuned. Is getting the excess off this edge right here. I don't want to have it built up. You just want to make sure you pull all your air pockets out of here as you go. And what I do here when I get to the corner, I take my big one right here and I push this in, keeping it tight, keeping the air bubbles out. Walk them on out. Like that. And I get to the corner right here. I want to make sure I got a good crease right in that corner. Like that. Kind of the same way you would do it with sheetrock tape. You just use your edge, and then I get to right here, and I'm going to take this right here and push it out. But you want to hold that in there, because otherwise you'll pull the paper. So you'll keep that up there tight like this. Get rid of the excess. Like that. And you probably have to go over it again. You just want to make sure you get it good and clean. Alright, see how that walked on me right there? Push that air out. That was my trusty timer. It's working just fine. Trouble right there, see it? Get that air out of there. You see how it popped out the top? Mm-hmm. That's what you want to do. Make sure you want this Kerdi material tight against the sheetrock or whatever backer you have. There, that's better. You just got to work with it. Right across here at the bottom, I haven't completely sealed it yet. So we'll just run right across like this. Make sure you get a good seal on it. Alright. I like to put a little piece, a little bit right here on this edge. Like that. Make sure it's right. And then right here at the bottom, I'm going to put a little right there just to square it up kind of. You see what I'm doing? Tell? And then we'll just little right there in that corner. Like this, that way it squares up that edge real good. So when you're doing your tile work, you've got a nice clean edge to work to. Better for your taking dimensions and everything, I think. This looks pretty good right here, but I'm going to go ahead and do it just like I showed you. Now you're going to get this material that's got sand in it. Every once in a while you'll get a piece that's a little thicker than some of the others. and it kind of makes it hard. What you can do is you can lightly tap it with a hammer just to flatten it out, or you can, just kind of deal with it. But you can see right there, see that little bit right there? When it's underneath this, it's hard. What you can do is you can take this and tap it and try to flush it up, But it's just the nature of the beast. You're going to have, you see right there, another one. But that's pretty good. All right. Nice and tight. Sealed all the way around. And we put our next piece on, we'll drop it down all the inch and a quarter, something like that. Because remember, all your water falls